is the ugliest microwave ever. Help me! I'm so ugly! Kill me! Bah! Bah! Put me out of my misery! Throw me away! Bah! What do you want?
Okay, wait.
Destroy me! I hurt so much! You're shaking the car.
Oh, fuck. Okay, wait.
You can't swear.
Why not? It's our camera.
What do you want?
Do that again with the ba thing.
Oh. I need to get my...
Oh, God. Adam.
Wait, move the camera away.
Okay.
I have the microwave. Right?
Okay.
Ready?
Wait.
You lost. Come on, man, I worked on it. Shut
I'm trying. Okay. Okay. Wait.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Ready? Keep the camera. That worked very well.
Okay, one more time.
Why? We have it on video.
I don't care. Do it again.
Alright, ready? Ready?
Yeah. Oh, man. That was good. Oh, I'm crying. Oh.
Alright, that's enough.